solutions of negative deviations, from Raoult's law, which can be shown so Raoult's law compared to Raoult's law. So here the solute attractions, solute or solvent attractions are less than attractions between solute and solvent. So solute or solvent attractions are less than attractions between solute and solvent. For example, here the letter A comma B forms a solution. Then AA attractions or BB attractions are less than AB attractions. The attractive forces. This is your attractive forces. Before addition A and B, the attractions between AA are attractions between BB. After mixing, the attractions between A and B are more. The AB is strongly attracted compared to AA and BB attractions. In this type of solutions, delta H mixing means mixing of heat of mixing value is less than 0, and delta V mixing also less than 0. Value. And in these cases, negative deviation, if you see, after mixing the two components, they should be strongly attracted. So that's why they will not easily evaporate. So the partial pressures also decreases compared to measured from the Raoult's law. After mixing A comma B liquids, the attractions between A comma B is more. So that's why what happened, the vapor pressures of the liquids is decreases. Attractions decreases, the vapor pressure of the liquids also decreases. So here compared to Raoult's law, they can be shown negative deviation. These dotted lines show the behavior of Raoult's law. Then this thick line shows the solutions with the negative deviation. Why? Because here if you take A component, its mole fraction is 1, then its pressure is more. Then after mixing B to the A components, its pressure is decreases because AB is strongly attracted. So that's why the curves are like this. They are below to the dotted line. These dotted lines are represented according to Raoult's law. If the solution is obeys Raoult's law, they can shows this type of dotted lines curves. These are ideal solutions. These dotted lines are ideal solutions. But these are the non-ideal solutions in that which are showing negative deviation. So initially component A is more, its pressure is more. Then if mole fraction of A decreases, otherwise B is mixing, then its pressure is decreases. So this graph is showing the negative deviation, the solutions which are showing negative deviations compared to that of Raoult's law or ideal solutions. Example for this type of solution. So you take acetone and chloroform chloroform, acetone and chloroform, and also acetone and anilinum, acetone and anilinum, and chloroform ether. Many examples we can take. I am taking acetone and chloroform. If you take acetone and chloroform, in between acetane, acetone and chlorone attractions compared to acetone and chloroform attractions, the attractions between acetone and chloroform are more, because in the case of acetone there is a hydrogen bonding formation takes place. So after mixing acetone and chloroform, due to hydrogen bonding, they are strongly attracted. If they are strongly attracted, they will not evaporate easily. So its pressure decreases. Its vapor pressure decreases in the solutions. So that's why this is the example for the solutions which are showing a negative deviation compared to Raoult's law, predicted from the Raoult's law. So next azeotropic mixtures. Then what are the azeotropic mixtures? What are the azeotropic? So azeotropic mixtures mean the binary mixture which does not resolve into components by distillation process. Is called binary mixture. Is called azeotropic mixture or azeotropes. Here the binary mixture mean the solution is made by mixing two components. They are called binary mixtures, which does not resolve into components by distillation process. Upon distillation, those components will not separated. Resolve means separated. They will not separate. So those mixtures are called azeotropic mixtures. Otherwise, these are also called azeotropes. That means if A, B are mixed, after mixing the solution, if you heat both solutions, they will not separate out. At a particular point, their compositions are fixed. The composition, or another manner also we can discuss. The solutions which composition is same in liquid or gaseous phases. When after mixing two liquids, in the liquid state they have same composition, and also after heating, upon a distillation process, after heating in the gaseous phase also they have fixed composition. So upon distillation process, these components will not undergo splitting. That means they will not separate. They have a particular composition. So these azeotropes are two types. Azeotropic mixtures are two types. One is minimum boiling azeotrope, and second one is maximum maximum boiling azeotrope. So the minimum boiling azeotrope example for minimum boiling azeotrope. For minimum boiling azeotrope. The rectified spirit in the rectified spirit, the composition, if you see, 95% of ethanol is present. 95% of ethanol is present and 5% of water is present. So 95% of ethanol is rectified spirit. This is a example for minimum boiling azeotrope. This solution shows positive deviation solution. The solutions of positive deviation rectified spirit. In the liquid state and the vaporized state also, the ethanol and water percentage is 95:5 ratio. And second one, example for maximum boiling azeotrope. Maximum boiling azeotrope. If you see the solution of nitric acid. In this HNO3 is 68%. Then remaining percentage is water. Its composition is fixed in liquid state as well as in a gaseous state at a particular temperature, and they have particular composition. So this is example for azeotrope, which is maximum boiling azeotrope. Generally the solutions of maximum boiling azeotropes are then the solutions with negative deviation solutions compared to Raoult's law. These are the azeotropes.